What we're seeing is these two men being sent to prison simply for doing their jobs. And this is sending a signal to the rest of the Myanmar reporters that if you cross the military, if you cross the government, they can make your life a living hell. And we saw in this court very little presented in terms of real evidence to indicate that there was a violation. It looked like a setup to us from the get-go. And the truly ironic and horrible thing about this is that these two reporters are now slated to spend longer time in prison than the soldiers who killed the 10 Rohingya that was the subject of their story in the first place. The problem now is what is going to happen to the rest of the media coverage. Will people increasingly shy away from any sort of critical reporting of the Burmese government or the Myanmar military?
In a democracy, journalists should be allowed to practice their jobs without intimidation and without fear. And this case has very much undermined freedom of the media in Myanmar. The verdict and the judgment today has also struck a hammer blow to the rule of law in Myanmar. Many diplomats have been at the trial throughout, and we believe that the judge has ignored the evidence of the case and has actually also ignored Myanmar laws.
democracy